What's the meaning of coley? Coley. Coley.
Coley. Coley. Coley can refer to different things depending on the context. It can be a surname or a type of fish. The fish coley, also known as scytho or pollock, is a species of marine fish found in the waters around Europe and North America. It has a mild, delicate flavor and is commonly used in fish and chips. The fish is also a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining heart health. Overall, coley is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that is enjoyed by many seafood enthusiasts.